the cost of electricity for this big of a building and the amount of air conditioners and heating and lights and everything that we've got. It was just an idea that came to pass. I looked up their website and their ratings were good, all the comments were good, everybody seemed real pleased with them. And I just thought, this is what these guys do all the time. All the reviews were really good about them. Cody came out the first time and visually looked at the site. I know what I expected. They were just it's like you've known them forever, Really, I didn't know that much about it. Didn't really know anything about it. And if I had any questions, they were always good to answer and knew the right answer. The crew that came down here was just unbelievable. Anything we needed them to do, if we needed to move something, they were right there. We had questions, they were right there to answer them. They had to make a lot of trips up here because we had such bad weather. I felt sorry for them, but they were right here on the spot when they could. Did a wonderful job. Couldn't ask for better.